Welcome to Manny's Pokemon. Today we're going to be opening 3 booster packs. We got 2 from the XY Evolution set and 1 from the Sun and Moon Team Up set. And today is giveaway day, so we're going to be giving away all the contents inside. Contest rules are simple. Comment 1 through 10 on the video below. If you are selected the next day, you win. Simple as that. Let's get right to it and see what we find inside. Let's open up the first XY Evolutions booster pack. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully I can give away a nice Charizard, which I already did on the last giveaway. We got our code card. And let's get right to it. We got Reverse Holo Dugtrio. That's the card that was pulled. I did the card trick wrong here. It's okay though. We got Metapod, Trainer Pidgeot Spirit Link, Porygon, Caterpie, Poliwag, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, and beautiful Reverse Holo Energy. We got to put this directly away. Very nice card to start off with. So I didn't pull out the best card at first. Yay. Now let's open up booster pack number 2. On the next XY Evolution set. We got a green code card. And let's just pull. Oh, and I did it again. I can't do card tricks in XY Evolutions. Trainer Pokédex. Trainer Slowbro Spirit Link. Nidorino. Ponyta. Doduo. Pikachu. Staryu. Onix. Reverse Holo Porygon. And non-holo rare Mewtwo. Not too bad on these packs so far. Someone's going to be very happy with these contents. Now opening up the Team Up booster pack. What are we going to find inside? Many great cards in this set. Hopefully I can give away something great. Get right to it. Not going to do any card tricks since I've been failing. Code card. Larvitar. Psyduck. Vulpix. Ponard. Alolan Geodude. Reverse Trainer Holo Grass Memory. And Holo Zapdos. Full Holo actually. This is actually very nice. Let's put this immediately fully away. Make sure you guys get a nice crisp card. Very nice all the way around. We have the Energy, Farfetch'd, Cosmoem, and Dragonair. So the winner of this contest will receive all these contents. Everything that we unpacked today, which is 3 reverse holos, 2 non-holo rares, this beautiful fully holo Zapdos, all these basic and uncommon cards. And all you have to do to win is like this video, subscribe to my channel, Manny's Pokemon, and comment the number 1 through 10. Numbers can only be used one time. If someone already used number 1, you cannot use 1. Wish you all the best of luck. Thank you for watching, and we'll announce the winner tomorrow.